Does your computer feel like it's running in slow motion? Well, there are several quick fixes to boost its speed and improve performance. Firstly, cleaning up cluttered files is a must. When unnecessary programs and files pile up, they can slow down your computer significantly. So take some time to go through your applications and uninstall any that are no longer in use. Moving on, making space on your hard drive is a fantastic idea. Deleting unnecessary files and cleaning up your disk can give your computer's speed a noticeable boost. So empty the recycle bin and run a disk cleanup utility to get rid of those pesky temporary files. Thirdly, optimizing startup settings can make a world of difference. Adjusting which programs launch at startup can do wonders for your computer's speed. Simply open the Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and disable any unnecessary startup programs. Updating your software is a step that's easy to overlook, but it's crucial. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues and slow down your computer. So, make sure to check for updates for your operating system, antivirus software, and other important programs. Speaking of antivirus software, it's essential to have one installed and running. Viruses and malware can significantly slow down your computer, so regularly scan your system and keep your antivirus software up to date. If all else fails and you're still experiencing slow performance, it might be time to upgrade your hardware. Adding more RAM or upgrading your hard drive to a solid-state drive can greatly improve your computer's speed. Lastly, don't forget to restart your computer regularly. Restarting can clear memory and refresh processes, giving your system a much-needed boost. So, to sum it up, boosting your computer's speed involves cleaning up files, making space on your hard drive, optimizing startup settings, updating software, installing antivirus software, possibly upgrading hardware, and regularly restarting your computer. With these quick fixes, you can bid farewell to a sluggish computer and welcome a faster, more efficient machine. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.